What is this love and war? He know that I love him, got him fucking me raw. He know I ain't with it, never did it before. He got me all in my feelings, now he got you all in yours. Ooh, it's like that. He ain't never leaving, no, we coming right back.
Hi everybody, so I'm back with another hair review video. So today I decided to get my hair from Yolissa. So words on the street is that they have the best curly hair ever, so I had to purchase, and let's just say I love this hair. It's some really nice hair. So first things first, let's talk about shipping. So I ordered directly on their website, Yolissa.com, I believe. They should be on like AliExpress and all the other websites. They should be on. So okay, so I have purchased 3 bundles of 20 inches, and then I purchased an 18-inch frontal. This is their water wave texture, and I'm just gonna show you guys, I guess, how long it is. So it's like right under my chest area. If you could see, if you could like see it touches right under my chest area. Yep, it's touching about right above my hip area, or it's like right on my butt. Let me talk about shipping. Okay, so I did buy it last Thursday. I bought it last Thursday and it came on Monday. And then I actually turned it into a wig. So I did create this unit, so it's not a wig. You can buy it as a wig if you want to, but these are just bundles. When I do wear curly hair, I do like my hair like as a flip over. I don't really like to add like any parts to the unit, but if you want to, you could go right ahead. The hair came beautiful. The hair is absolutely beautiful. It came really, really curly, super duper long, and it also was very soft. For tangling goes, I do get some tangling in the back, which is pretty normal for curly hair. If you like run your fingers through, you see how nice that is? Like, so if I run my fingers through, I got like 1-2 pieces. You definitely get maybe about 3 or 4 pieces coming out, which is totally normal for curly hair, but the shedding is very minimum. The hair is thick from like root to end, because we know we had hair that was not thick. Definitely had hair that was not thick, and it was really, really thin ends. And I could probably show you, as you can see, and it's really nice. The frontal did come pre-plucked, so if you don't want to pluck the frontal, you don't have to. It comes already pre-plucked. I did went ahead and pluck it a little bit. I did tint the lace, but I think I probably tinted it a little too dark for my skin tone. But I could still like rock it, but I'm debating if I want to still maybe bleach it again. Here in, I told you I got it Monday. I did my wig Tuesday and Wednesday, installed it on Wednesday, and I had it in all the way up until today. So I had the hair for 2 days. And it's really nice. It's bouncy, it's just thick, it's nice. I didn't put any, like I said, parts, so sometimes I may want like a middle part, do a middle part. Want to put it up, it's up to you. I will leave the link for the hair in the description bar, but it's really very nice curly hair. I will say it's definitely going to be one of my top like to go to companies for sure. I will definitely keep this hair in for another week or 2 and definitely come back to do, oh look, see how some pieces like come out, you can see like a little bit. It is in the affordable range too. I mean, depending on what you're trying to get. For what I received, I paid about I believe like $280. So give or take, it's not that expensive, but it's pretty affordable. And I would highly recommend. This is a honest review. I do not lie about hair. It's really some good hair. I'm actually gonna definitely purchase some more hair from them. Try some different other curly textures that they may have. All right, so the hair texture, right? So I did say that this hair is water wave. I did went ahead and added some products to this hair. I went ahead and put product in this hair, so I can't really say this is like the natural texture, but I did went ahead and enhance the curls. First things first, a water bottle. This is a mist spray. I did put warm water, conditioner, and a curling enhancer into the spray bottle, and I normally like drench the hair. I'm gonna use this, and then my curling serum, which is the Moroccan Curling Perfection. This mousse. Okay, so I will be wetting like one side of my hair so you can kind of see how the hair looks wet, and also show you like the real natural curl pattern of the hair. And instantly you can kind of like see the curls is like already like popping. It's so pretty. Okay, now I'm just taking a Y2 comb and I'm just working my way up, ends to roots. Okay, so this is the dry side with product, and this is the wet side also with product. And this is like the ends when it's dry. And it's just gorgeous. I do feel like it's a little bit looser than deep wave, but it's more curlier than body wave. So it's like in between. I'm just gonna go in with the mousse, I told you guys. And then we just rake it to your hair. And especially the ends as well. That will hold the curls in place, and it will pretty much look like this. And I do this to all my curly hair. It doesn't weigh down the hair. The hair is still very balanced. Sheen that I put on the hair, so once like it dries, it gets a little cast from the mousse. So then I'll go ahead and use the Curls Daughter Black Vanilla hair sheen. It's very nice. It's very lightweight, so it won't weigh down the hair, and it will make it pretty much look like this. You could touch it, you could run your fingers through it. It's beautiful. And I'm just gonna spray 2 pumps. I normally put it on once it dries, but clearly I'm making a video, so I just wanted to show you guys how to take care of curly hair. If you want a video that I could show you guys more in depth on how to take care of my curly hair, let me know. But this is the final video. I will keep the hair for another 2 weeks, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys how the hair, you know, holds up. But so far from unboxing, you know, creating the wig, it's beautiful. Like, I'm not even a curly hair girl. If anyone has noticed, I wear a lot of like straight body wave hair, but this hair is very beautiful. With this hair, let me know if you want to see more videos like this. I am on a venture to try some more hair, so we'll see. I will leave the link of this hair down below, and hope you guys enjoy it. Go get this hair, go get this hair, go get this hair. Say it, take what you want. Get this hair. It's pretty.